Hi, doll babies. Send here coming at you with another video when we have a special guest, my baby. Say hi. So, you guys have all been in my emails asking me about healthy vegan meals that taste amazing
and desserts.
Yes, and desserts. And this is kind of sort of a dessert snack. So you need parchment paper, and you're just gonna line a baking sheet with parchment paper. And now I have oatmeal as well as almonds, and we're gonna put them in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Now I'm going to take some of these dates, and there are going to be exactly 16 dates going into this food processor. You could do this in a blender, but a food processor is absolutely ideal. So you're going to, don't get scared, because when they're in there, it's going to look like the thing's going to fall apart, because you want it to create this like doughy like ball.
And kids, you be careful with the stove. If you're cooking with your mom, be careful with the stove.
Yeah.
Ask a parent to help you put it in the stove.
Yeah, so we need agave nectar. So I'm using 1/4 cup of agave nectar, and then 1/4 cup of almond butter. And this is unsweetened and unsalted. And then you're gonna pop this in the microwave for 30 seconds. But make sure you put it in the microwave only right before you're ready to take out your almonds. So I've taken out the almonds, and you'll see some hazelnuts I'm separating over there, because I have a video coming up where I show you guys how to make your own Nutella from scratch at home. So you're just gonna add the date mixture that you put in the food processor, as well as your oatmeal and your almonds, along with the agave and almond butter, and you're gonna put that together and start stir it and stir it up, girl. Mash it with your hands, girl. And now that you have everything mixed up with the spoon as much as you can, you're gonna need to take your hands and start to actually mash it with your hand, because that's the only way you're gonna be able to break down that date mixture that you just made. So make sure you smush it. It's all smushy.
And also, you gotta wash your hands after you cook. And if your hands get dirty, wash your hands.
Yeah, because that's kind of gross. That was a good one, baby. That was a really good pointer. And that's really important. Wash your hands, because imagine how gross this would be if your hands were dirty, right? So
yes,
yucky.
and when you start cooking, wash your hands first.
Exactly. Good pointers, baby.
So you don't get germs on your cooking.
Exactly. So this has went into the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Make sure you let it cool before, or not cool, like maybe warm down a little bit, like let it thaw a little bit before you actually start to cut it, because if you don't, it'll be really hard to cut. But as you can see, it's magical. It's so freaking good. Like, you guys really, really have to try this, and it's really good to have on the go for breakfast, or you can even take this as like a snack, when you're at work, and it came out so good. Or at school, yeah, exactly. Or at school.
And if you don't like peanuts, put something else in it.
Yeah, girl, you're good at this, girl. So now I'm just putting it in this normal little container, and then I'm gonna keep it in the refrigerator. You don't necessarily have to keep it refrigerated, but I feel like if you don't refrigerate it, it gets really, really soft. So that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next video. And make sure you visit the link that I'm gonna leave below, and the link that's gonna be up here, so you can watch the video about making your own hazelnut spread, your own Nutella. It is so freaking good and 100% vegan, and you are gonna love it. I promise you'll never buy Nutella from the store again. So stay tuned. See you later. Bye. Say bye.